Many of us, when we think of cuddling, we think of this. Does that look familiar? Yay! We've come now to the classic ones, spooning. This is a great one. It is common. It is requested often because, again, when we think of, I want to cuddle, we usually think of this. Now, sometimes clients know what little spoon, big spoon mean, and sometimes they don't. So when they say, I'd like to spoon with you, they don't, I'll say, do you want to be a little spoon or do you want to be the big spoon? And they're like, what does that mean? So let me show you. The little spoon, even though in this image, which I will say, I kind of love that they drew these people like this, because it looks like the person inside is actually bigger than the person on the outside. That's not what we think of. So again, I love this. I love that they had the bigger, kind of the bigger person, it looks like, or at least it looks a little bit bigger, probably because of how, anyway, they're set up. But the bigger person can't be on the inside, and that's the little spoon. Whoever's on the inside is a little spoon. Whoever's on the outside is the big spoon. So any sizes fit here. Again, I know that's common to think that the guys are always a big spoon, or the larger person is the one on the outside, but there's a really amazing warmth and benefit. Even if you're bigger, taller, wider, however your body is and whatever your body does, it's kind of nice to be the little spoon, to kind of feel that. Now, those of you who don't know me, don't know how my body works, I have a small torso-ish, but I have really long legs. For a woman, I guess. My inseam is 34. So what happens is I like to be the big spoon and the little spoon. So I fit really nicely being in the little spoon because, again, this part of my body is kind of smaller. So it's easy for me to fit in. And then being in the big spoon, I have my legs, and my legs can also be put on top. So here we see the legs just kind of matching in parallel with the little spoon's legs, but sometimes I'll bring my leg over, and I'll have a lot of variety because I have these legs that my octopus tentacles can kind of do different things. Arms, really important point to think about as well. So in our sessions, in a platonic cuddling touch session, we aren't doing any kind of breast massage or any kind of breast contact. That's not necessarily, let's say, but we get to kind of decide where arms go. Maybe arms go, I don't know, here, there, so arms have a lot of variety as well. The person in the back, of course, can be doing some hair stuff and some face stuff, which feels amazing. And the person, when I'm the little spoon, it is kind of a nice break for me to just relax and be taken care of. There's not much the little spoon can do, which is again, it's a relief, and it's a break for me. So there you go, the classic spooning. Ask someone that you love or that you care about, or anyone, if they'd be willing to lie down on a couch, on a bed, anywhere, on the floor, and spoon up with you. And get a blanket. It's getting a little bit cooler, and just kind of put a blanket over you. All right, thank you.